And we're live, okay. All right, so if you, on the worksheet, just make sure that you're working and just trying your best on every single problem, but if you have any questions, I will go over it thoroughly next class to make sure we all have full understanding. Right now, I just want to discuss the bottom 4 problems of the worksheet, which are, actually, let's just work through those bottom 4 problems. Christian, can you read it out loud for me, that one of the bottom 4?
10x plus 5y equals 5.
Yeah.
And negative x equals 2y plus 16.
Okay, perfect. And they ask us, what's the question they ask us?
Determine whether the pair of lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither.
Parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Okay. So the task is parallel, perpendicular, or neither for 2 lines. Another common SAT type question, okay? So, how do I know if I see 2 equations? How do I know if they're parallel or perpendicular or neither? Just maybe not based off these equations, but just in general. You have equations, you don't have it drawn, you don't have it graphed out, so you can't see. Because on a graph, parallel looks like those 2 lines are parallel. On a graph, perpendicular looks like, okay, there's a line that goes this way and a line that goes this way, and they intersect at a 90-degree angle. That's what perpendicular is. And the last one is just 2 lines that intersect anywhere. They're not parallel or perpendicular, they just intersect. Okay. Do we know how to find out which of these 3 categories it is if we don't have the drawing and we just have the equations? No, that's not the strategy I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, what if I gave it to you in this format? Y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals 2x minus 1. Could you tell me if that's parallel or perpendicular or neither?
Yeah.
What would it be?
Parallel.
Parallel. Why is this situation parallel?
They have the same slope.
They have the same slope. Excellent point. Okay. What if I gave you another example? Okay, that's one. Here's another example. Y equals 3x minus 2, and y, actually let's make it 3/4. And y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 3. How do you know it's perpendicular?
The slope is flipped to the side.
They hit each other.
They what? Hit each other?
They intersect.
They must intersect, but they must intersect at a right angle, and some of you are saying it. The slopes are negative reciprocals. So 3 over 4 and negative 4 over 3, these are negative reciprocals of each other. That's the key type of relation that you want to know if they intersect at a 90-degree angle when they're graphed. Sorry, that's not a 90-degree angle. But when they're graphed, they intersect at a 90-degree angle somehow. And actually the slope of 3/4 on like the actual slopes, 3/4 looks something like this, and negative 4/3 looks something like that. So it is actually at a 90-degree angle. Yeah, question?
It's not either, there's neither.
And if it doesn't have the same slope or negative reciprocal slopes, it is neither, okay? So now let's take it back to the problem at hand. How do I know if it's not in slope-intercept form? I probably want to get it into that format so it can observe and see if the slopes are the same or the slopes are negative reciprocals or neither, okay? So do you guys feel like you have enough information to get there? I just have to switch these into slope-intercept form. This top equation, I'm just going to shortcut it for you, is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. Okay, that's my first equation. Switch into slope-intercept form. And my second one is going to be y equals negative 1/2 x minus 8. Yeah. So what do we think now that both of these equations are in slope-intercept form? Is it parallel, perpendicular, or neither?
Parallel.
They are parallel. Okay, that's how you do the last 4 problems. That's all I want to teach you on that. Any questions? It might help in inform the video for anyone else watching. Do we all understand this okay? So you're asked 2 equations. Is it parallel, perpendicular, or neither? I can't tell in this format. I can tell if it's in these formats, yeah, but here I can't tell. I switch it to slope-intercept form, and then I compare them. Does that make sense? Awesome.
Would
Okay.
the top equation be y equals negative 2x plus 1?
Negative 2x. Yeah, I think it is negative 2x. Subtract that. Yep, it should be negative 2. So then if this is the proper slope, good catch, Christian, before I ended the video. Is this parallel, Perpendicular or neither? Now what do you guys think?
Neither.
Neither. Because they are reciprocals, but they're not negative reciprocals. So now it's neither. Good catch. That actually does help inform the video. Any other questions?
We have to do this.
Okay, no. Hopefully I was recording this whole time. I was.